Hello guys, what's up? We have a new unboxing today. Switch which I ordered. Now, this is a Zyxel switch, the GS1200-8HP PoE switch, power over Ethernet switch. So there are different companies making this switch in different brands. You can find it in Linksys, you can find it in TP-Link and so on. But I researched and I found out that this is a really good switch which is required if you are running anything over the Ethernet. And I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of it. It comes with these leaflets. It's a quick start guide. So this is a managed switch. It just automatically syncs and it pretty much just sends and transmits the data automatically, so you don't have to do anything. That's a quick diagram which shows 4 ports are of Ethernet and 4 ports. You've got 4 ports for Gigabit data transfer. So these 4 ports are for PoE, power over Ethernet, so you can connect your IP cam, you can connect to IP telephone, and over here you can connect to router and your computer and so on. Overall packaging seems to be quite strong. So this is the switch itself. See, it says over here it's embedded Zyxel. So this is one of the newest switches. Power on off button over here, 55 volt DC input point for PoE ports over here and for Gigabit ports over here. Once this is connected, you'll have all these lights turned on as per the number of ports you use. You have a PoE max light as well, and you've got a power sync light, and you've got the reset. So red and green. Green is 1000 megabits, and then red is 10 over 1000. So the feel of the switch is it's metal and a bit heavy. It's sort of a semi-professional switch, you can say. Let's see what else is in the box. Power adapter. Yeah, the power adapter is it's a 2.5 ampere maximum input, and it's got a DC 55 volt output. That is the UK plug. So these are the 3 items which are in the box: the switch itself, the adapter, and the plug. So if you are thinking of getting a switch and running your CCTV cameras, I think then Zyxel is going to be a very good brand. All you have to do is just plug and play, simply connect to your 4 cameras over here, and it'll power them up. So guys, this was a quick video of the Zyxel switch. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. Alright then, see you in my next video. Bye.